Hello, are you facing clutter that you put off until now, and it's the hard clutter? Have you decluttered out all the trash and all the obvious things, and now you've delayed all of your decisions, and now you've got decision fatigue, and you've got a whole bunch of things that really require a hard move on your part? Okay, well, that's not uncommon, because that's our tendency to do all the easy stuff and say, oh yeah, I'm decluttering, but you're not, because you've stopped when it got hard and said, I'll think about that later. And now here you are facing later. You're facing later. So it's time to make some really hard decisions, and you can do this. You can do this. If you haven't used these items in a year or two, no matter how beautiful, how cute, how expensive they are, give them away. You have two choices on things that you have put off. Give them away or throw them away. You can't keep them anymore because you didn't use them, and you put it off, and you put it off until maybe those things have been sitting there 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. You do not need those things. You do not like those things. You do not use those things. You do not need those things. So you're going to have to do the hard thing, and that is give it away or throw it away. That's it for today. Have a great day.